Zoom's 2026 advancement incorporates WebRTC 2.0, enabling seamless fallback to peer-to-peer connections when server links fail. This technology allows direct communication between devices without relying on central servers. The WebRTC architecture uses signaling through a central server to establish connections, then switches to direct media streams between browsers or apps. When server connections fail, WebRTC 2.0 automatically switches to peer-to-peer mode, bypassing the need for central servers. This fallback mechanism significantly reduces dependency on central servers and minimizes the impact of server-side connectivity issues. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches in Zoom. First, close the Zoom application completely. Then reopen the Zoom application. If the problem persists, restart your computer or mobile device. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. A Fortune 500 company faced significant Zoom connectivity issues during a global summit. VPN overloads were causing frequent unable to connect errors as the corporate network strained under heavy usage. Zoom's AI troubleshooter, introduced in version 6.0, automatically detected the VPN bottleneck and rerouted connections through alternative network paths, restoring stable connectivity without manual intervention. This solution led to a 60% reduction in Zoom errors and saved 10 hours of IT support time per event, demonstrating the effectiveness of AI-driven troubleshooting in modern corporate environments. Looking ahead to 2028, blockchain-inspired decentralized architectures promise to eliminate server errors by distributing the network load across thousands of user devices instead of relying on a single central server. In traditional centralized systems, if the main server fails, all users lose connectivity. This single point of failure creates the unable to connect to server errors we've discussed. Decentralized networks draw inspiration from blockchain technology, where data and processing power are shared across a distributed network of nodes. Each user device becomes a node in the network, capable of routing data and sharing computational load. This creates a resilient mesh where connections can reroute automatically if any single device goes offline. Load distribution happens dynamically across the network, preventing overload on any one component and ensuring consistent performance even during peak usage. By removing the single point of failure, decentralized architectures could make server connection errors a thing of the past, providing users with uninterrupted, reliable Zoom experiences.